Now, hip hop track. Let's start. Hip side to side with elbows. Side, the other side. Now around and down. Repeat. Side to side with hip and elbows. Very good. Okay. Bounces. Double. Give me three. Open knee. Open march. Very good. One more time. Bounces. Open knee. Very good. One more time. Repeat. Easy. And watch now. Side walk. Cross back and down. Bounces. Very good. Open. Side walk. Go down. Now, go forward. Yes. Open. Diagonal. And to the front. Very good. Come on. Very good. Open. Diagonal. And to the front. Now, arm. Watch. Pull. Go up. Open. Diagonal. Push out. One more time. Yes. Diagonal. Push. One more time. Up. Woo. Go up. Last time. Very good. New part is coming. Remember the beginning? Double hip and elbow. Watch. Open mark. Very good. One more time. Double. You got it. We have two acts. Three steps, but faster. Two big steps. Yes. Repeat again. Double kick. Beat. Are you ready from the top? 4, 3, double. Go up. Knees. Diagonal. Kick. Beat. Very good. You got it. One more time. Bounces. Forward. Yeah. Woo. Push. Beat. Come on. Okay. Slow motion. Kick, knee and down. Watch. Kick, knee, down. Bounces. Yes. One more time. Watch. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. We complete now. Come on. Kick, knee, down. Bounces. 3 side to side. Shoulder and elbow. Again. Very good. 3 side to side. Elbow and knee. Faster. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Very good. One more time. Come on. Woo. Okay. Are you ready from the top? 4, 3, 2, come forward. Yes. Knees. Diagonal. Hips. This step. And now combination kick. Twist. From the top. You got it. Second part. Remember? Beat. Combo. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Last time. Come on. Enjoy this track. Push. Hip. Very good. Kick. And be ready final pose with elbow.